Alright guys, I'm making a video of something that I have never seen before. I've had jet skis for a long time, and we've had all of your random issues. Blown intake, charge pipes, coolant hoses, everything, just the whole 9 yards. We've chewed impellers up, all kind of stuff. This one is a first though. We got the impeller this time, but let me get you underneath and show you what's in there. And there you have it. It's a freaking piece of 2x4. Look at that. And it completely knifed itself on the impeller blade. Now the rest of the blade looks to be completely fine. The wear ring, look at it. Ironically, okay. But my dad was like 30 miles from the boat launch. They had to go limp mode the whole way home. It would barely even idle. So let's get this grate off and get this chunk of wood out of here. There you have it. You could not ask for a perfect wedge, a more perfect wedge, to jam a pump. And look at that. Look at that, polish it smooth from the salt water running. Whoop. It's got an actual radius on it. That is funny. Well, not really that funny, but it's pretty funny. Look at that. Okay, well, that does it for me. That's got to be the weirdest thing I've ever seen in a pump housing. If you've seen something more strange than that, comment below. I'm interested. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, wherever it is down here. Like button, everything. I'll see y'all next time.